Paki please. Okay, paki means please. So, pakiayos ng kama. Here, please tidy up your bed. In English, you have to use the word your. In Filipino, it's okay to say pakiayos ng kama or pakiayos mo ng kama because it is already understood that you're talking to this person. So, we don't need to use the word your. So, we simply say pakiayos ng kama. Another, we have here pakiulit po. So, when you say pakiulit po, it means, please repeat. Could you repeat it? Pakiulit po. Okay, pakiabot po ng bayad. You say this phrase when you're riding a public vehicle and you want someone to pass along your payment to the driver or conductor. So, you say, pakiabot po ng bayad. Another, pakidala ng tubig. Dala here is to bring. Tubig is water. So, pakidala. Okay, please bring. Pakikuha ng tinapay sa kusina. So, we have here pakikuha. Please get. Okay, in English, you have two words. In Filipino, we only have one word. So, you say pakikuha ng tinapay sa kusina. Pakikuha ng whatever you want them. Tinapay here means bread. Kusina is kitchen. We use the word sa kusina, sa, because this is a place. So, nang here, let's get the bread. Okay, nang here, indicator that the next word is noun. Pakitawag ng manager. So, sa Filipino or sa English, you need to use the word you. In Filipino, it's okay to drop the word mo. Pakitawag mo ng manager. That's fine. So, you notice when we are talking to the person, we don't use the word mo or you already. So, it is already understood that we are talking to that person. Another, pakitingin ng gamit ko. When you say tingin, that is to look with the eyes. Okay, can you watch over my things? Okay, pakitingin ng gamit. Gamit is things. Gamit ko, my things. So, reverse. So, gamit here is things ko is my. So, you say gamit ko. In English, you say my things. Pakitulong dito. So, could you please help here? Tulong is help. Another, pakitingin dito. Okay, so when you say pakitingin dito, can you please look here or, yes, look by the eyes. Pakigawa ng report. So, you have here gawa. Okay, make. Okay, ng report. Okay, so, ng indicator that the succeeding word is noun. Pwede mo nang ihain ang pagkain. Ihain means serve. So, you say, pwede mo nang ihain ang pagkain. Another, pakibantayan naman ng bagahe ko. So, actually, it's okay to say pakibantayan ng bagahe ko when you add naman here. Just like, can you please? It's not really can you or asking for favor, but rather pride. You say, pakibantayan naman ng bagahe ko. It's not polite. So, you rather drop the word naman here. But you hear us say this, which is not really good. So, you can simply say, pakibantayan ng bagahe ko. That's more polite. Another, pakitawag ng mga tao dito. Tawag here, call. Can you please call? Okay, pakitawag ng mga tao. Another, pakitawag si Cassie. So, we have here the si because this is a name. So, we simply say pakitawag. In English, you say please call. Another, paliwanag mo nga ito. Okay, so you say, can you please explain this? Paliwanag mo nga ito or pakipaliwanag. So, here, you can put the word paki in front of the verb. Another, pakipaliwanag sa mga turista. Sa mga turista, to the tourist. So, turista is tourist. Okay, they are not place or it is not a place. But we use the word sa. General. You say, pakipaliwanag sa mga turista. Just like saying, paliwanag is to explain. In English, you say, can you please explain this clearly to the tourist? Pakibukas ng ilaw. So, bukas here means open, but it also means on and on, to on something. Can you turn on the light? So, we say, ilaw when we mean light. So you say, pakibukas ng ilaw. Pakibayad ng bill. Bayad is pay. So you say, pakibayad, please pay the bill. Okay. Paki-English po. When they say paki-English po, they mean in English, please. Okay. So, paki here plus verb means please. Sometimes it is shortened to pa, like pakuha ng laptop, instead of saying pakikuha ng laptop. Okay. Ng laptop ko. Pakikuha ng laptop ko. Laptop ko, my laptop. Okay.